In the world of architectural wonders, there's a name that resonates with innovation and craftsmanship: Calco. For more than 3 decades, Calco has been a pioneer in crafting cutting-edge architectural solutions, including aluminum windows, alu-wood doors and windows, premium aluminum doors, facades, domestic and industrial ladders, and BIPV systems with German technology, Italian design and Indian prices. Join us on a journey to explore the essence of Calco, the company that turns architectural dreams into reality. Started in 1992, Calco's journey has been defined by unwavering dedication and a commitment to values.
बातें 1991-92 की, जब मैं ग्रेजुएशन कर रहा था तो उस समय में एक विचार आया कि बिजनेस करना है, नौकरी नहीं करनी है, और ऐसा बिजनेस करना है जिसमें हम रोजगार के अवसर मुहैया करा सकें, रोजगार दे सके। पिताश्री के आशीर्वाद से और उनके मार्गदर्शन में 1992 में एक सूक्ष्म उद्योग स्टार्ट किया, जिसमें मेन प्रोडक्ट हमने एल्युमिनियम के लेके चले। डोर्स, विंडोज, लैडर्स हमने जर्मन टेक्नोलॉजी को अडॉप्ट किया, अपने मेक इन इंडिया एंड मेड इन इंडिया को बढ़ावा दिया, और हमने एक ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर खड़ा करने की तरफ बढ़े वेयर पीपल लव टू वर्क रेदर देन फोर्स टू वर्क।
Our core principles: commitment, passion, integrity, innovation and eco-friendly, with a vision of becoming a most trusted and promising brand, have been the guiding light behind every product we create.
It has been amazing thing to be a part of the workforce of this great organization. I am glad I belong here. It has a beautiful work environment as well as a wonderful culture, employee friendly and considerate. Lot of learnings since the day I joined. I am glad I am a part of Calco in the journey of Grow Together.
Calco has always been about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in architecture. From the slimline aluminum windows that merge aesthetics with functionality to the warm elegance of alu-wood doors and windows, Calco offers a versatile array of architectural solutions. Calco's premium aluminum doors are a fusion of security, style, and sophistication. We develop architectural facades depending on the type and design of building. Calco takes pride in manufacturing different types of facades and their installation as per customers' requirements. Our facade systems includes semi-unitized, unitized, angular and double skin facades. Domestic and industrial aluminum ladders from Calco have made a name for itself in the market. Various types offered include straight, collapsible and extendable ladders. Our BIPV systems not only generate clean energy but also redefine the concept of sustainable architecture.
We have advanced technology to create products that not only look great but also perform well. At Calco, innovation means staying ahead of the curve by exploring new materials and designs according to our customers and geographical requirement.
Innovation at the heart of Calco. We invest in state-of-the-art research and development to lead the future of architecture. Calco products conform to industry standards and are of international quality. Company uses green methodologies, high-quality raw materials and German technology to provide world-class quality products.
We provide green building solution through German engineering, Italian design. Day by day we are growing with the efforts of our teamwork, and I expect that we will touch new height very soon and will be on the top of the world. I am very fortunate to be a part of Calco team in the journey of Grow Together.
All aluminum products are protected with anodic coating conforming to international standards. For powder coating, anodizing and electrocoloring, The company uses state-of-the-art methodology and high-quality raw materials so that the quality of the finished products is as per industry standards. The group has a separate company, Calco Installation Team (KIT), to take care of all installation works. KIT employs trained and qualified craftsmen to carry out work adhering to the highest standards in the industry.
हम जो भी कैल्को की तरफ से प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं जिसमें फसाड और डोर विंडोज का कार्य करते हैं उसमें बेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रेंड एग्जीक्यूशन टीम के साथ साथ टाइमली हैंडओवर करते हैं और सेफ्टी का भी पूरा ध्यान रखा जाता है। कैल्को ना सिर्फ एग्जीक्यूशन में बल्कि आफ्टर सेल सर्विस में भी अपने क्लाइंट का पूरा ध्यान रखता है।
At Calco, client satisfaction is paramount. We build lasting relationships by understanding the unique needs of our clients. Calco is not just about architectural marvels. It's about a sustainable future as well. We are dedicated to reducing our environmental footprint. Sustainability at Calco is all about improving the health and well-being of individuals through green solutions. We are committed to developing, promoting and marketing energy-efficient solutions through our aluminium architectural products for people across the globe. Our eco-friendly manufacturing processes and materials reflect our commitment to responsible architecture.
इस कंपनी में हम जुड़े हुए हैं शुरुआत से। कोई भी काम आता है तो हम उसको करके देते हैं कंपनी के लिए। कोई हम पीछे नहीं रहना चाहते, आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं।
मुझे कैल्को में काम करते हुए लगभग 20 वर्ष हो गए हैं। कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है मटेरियल को बनाने में, किसी प्रोडक्ट को बनाने में, चाहे वो ड्राइंग की हो, चाहे मटेरियल की हो, चाहे हार्डवेयर की हो, सभी लोग एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करते हैं और बेस्ट क्वालिटी बनाते हैं।
As we look ahead, Calco envisions a world where architecture blends seamlessly with nature, where sustainability and design walk hand in hand.
We believe in providing solutions with cutting-edge technology and solutions which can sustain in the long term for the betterment of the environment and for the customers. Calco's vision is to become the most trusted and preferred brand across the globe.
Our mission is grow together by involving each person of team to provide architectural innovative quality products and services.
कस्टमर फर्स्ट ही नहीं, एम्प्लॉय फर्स्ट की तरफ भी ऐसा कल्चर खड़ा करने की तरफ हम बढ़े, वेयर वी ऑल टुगेदर ग्रो टुगेदर फॉर ए सस्टेनेबल फ्यूचर।
Calco, building dreams with innovative architectural green building solutions.